Hi there, welcome to this video on Google Sheets. Let's have a recap of the three most important features that have been released in 2020 already. So the first functionality is the fact that you can now take out a pie in a pie chart used in Google Sheets. So let's have a look at this example right here. If I want to modify my chart, so edit the file, and I go into the Customize section, we see an option for pie slices. So imagine that for the times that people indicated never, I can now select the distance from the center, so for example, 25%, and you'll see the pie chart has been taken out of the circle. You can even do this for multiple ones. So if I want to highlight a few times a week, no, let's take the other one, a few times a month, a few times a month as well, and say this one is 50, then it has a bigger distance from the center. So this is a new functionality to put some slices of your pie chart into the picture. Let's have a look at the second option, which is the fact that you can change or customize the axis, so the thickness of the lines and how many they are with how many they are visualized, and even the color. So again, let's edit first the chart. Again, in the Customize section, you have here grid lines and ticks. So if I open up the section, I can indicate the major spacing. So for example, we add 10. So you see the spacing between is less. If I change this again to 1, we'll have only one single line. So for the major grid lines, we can choose a color, let's say red one. For the minor ones, we take yellow. So you see that the ones in between, if I add the amount again, now we have multiple yellow lines. So even the major ticks and the minor ticks you can change, or you can also do this for the horizontal axis. So by this, you can make sure that your chart is better readable or more visualized depending on your needs. A third option, which is probably the most important one, or the one we've all been waiting for, is the ability to sort by color. So let's have a look at this table showing the results in percentages of the different departments. So I already enabled the filter on top. And if we now open up the filter, we have a new section, filter by color. And then we have the option to filter on the fill color or even on the text color. So both are possible. Let's have a look for the dark green one. Oh, the chart has popped up. Voila. So now you see I only have been filtered on the dark green ones. If I do disable it again, we have the second option here on top to sort by color as well. Here again, fill or text color, whatever we want. So let's sort by the light green one. And then you see those are sorted right on top. So these are two new functionalities to sort and to filter on color as well, which has been often requested by you. So hopefully you'll enjoy this new functionality. And let's look forward to the next one. Bye!